Hey guys, out here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Check this out, run across a guy who's doing chainsaw art. He's got tons of statues everywhere. I'll show you in a couple seconds. Huge ones, probably multiple logs. Just what I'm trying to learn how to do. I want to make some bears for our cabin property. So maybe I can learn how to do it here on some live demonstrations. I don't know, let's go check it out. This is a throne, American flag, big eagle. It's a chair. Check it out. Go sit up in there. And two big armrest eagle heads. Armrest. This guy does eagles. Lots of eagles. He's carving one there. Wow. And look at these huge ones. Oh, there's Mount Rushmore. Right. Huge eagles and things. Crazy. Cool bears. And then back here, the guy's making an eagle live. That's pretty cool. You can hear the chainsaw going. We're gonna go check it out. Look at all these animals and bears. They're obsessed. They can't stop. This one is huge. Tons of bears, tons of eagles. Let's see where he's going here. Check this out, guys, a log motorcycle with an eagle body and eagle handlebars. That's amazing. One big log. See the eagle handlebars. The head there that comes up to the handlebars that are also eagle heads. And then the wings. Big wings out here. You can see all the chainsaw cuts going in here. How they do that. A chair, a wheel. That's crazy. And look up here. Look at this big tower's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eagles on it. Another big Indian eagle man there. Love some of the artistics like this one up there. He's turning, looking down. He's totally sideways in the log. Claw sticking out. And these other guys. That's cool. Do this. Here's a log of bear he's working on. Sideways, the whole thing. Eyes here. That's pretty cool, huh? The rot of the tree in the center is going to be his eye. Maybe that's a problem. Cupped out the ears. All the chainsaw marks. Really deep to create the hair. Really going in deep. So then they got a sanding stage to get all this loose stuff off, I think. Stomach, leg. The tail. There's a little tail there. Working on a crocodile there. An eagle. And one log, so he's got to have quite a hard turn to be sideways and looking at you. That's cool. It's dark. His face. Just like this. Well, I was hoping to get to talk to some of these makers. Looks like there's 2 or 3 of them, but they're all busy cutting away because there's nobody here buying or really shopping, so they're busy. One guy's doing eagle, another guy's doing an eagle, another guy's doing a bear up there that I showed you. So they can burn them, right? Sand them down. Looks like you can paint them. This one's all painted. Yep, he's got like suspenders on. Fun stuff. Gonna have to try to make something like this, a bench. Isn't that cool? A bear on each side, a wood plank in the middle. Just cutting a log in half, shelving it out and shoving it in. Pretty cool. Check it out. We got Bigfoot here, guys. Out of one solid log. The Yeti's here. That's awesome. Check out this guy. He's in a log. He's like stuck in the wood. Got a funny looking face. Big mouth. Big mouth. More beady eyes. They're sunk in. These guys aren't like that. They put a marble in there, I think. Yeah, glass marble for the eye. That's tricky. So he's going to work. He's got his work pants on. He's in the log. Cool stuff. Looks like he does the same style over and over with the hand up, right, and carrying the sign. You can get a lamp that he's holding, welcome sign. That's a good idea. I got to figure out what style I want to do mine in. All right, ladies.